things between. A few years ago, I lost someone that was very near and dear to my heart, and I felt like everything under my feet kind of just got swept up and everything was left in crumbles, and I had to figure out a way to continue to move on. And because of that experience in my life, I was actually inspired to go back to school, become a nurse, and get my degree. As I was going through my nursing career, I realized that I was still craving creativity in my life, because that's kind of the life that I left before I went into nursing. And so I started Things Between as an outlet for me to stay inspired, to remind me that there's good things that happen in life, bad things that happen, big things, small things, but it's the things between that propel me to move forward. Although there's a lot of negativity right now, there's a lot of things going on, being able to have that creative outlet and then share that, talent and that skill with others is kind of what is very life-giving and gives people hope. And I've personally received a lot of messages from people saying that, hey, I know you're this random Instagram that makes random tie-dye clothing, but I just want to say that you've been really encouraging. It kind of encourages me to keep doing it and want to keep sharing that with others so that they can find their light and they can find their, safe haven during this very difficult time. Things Between in one sentence is just a reminder to appreciate the little things and find good in the things between in life.